Namaste. So today's topic is treatment strategies of CHF. So let's see the goal. The therapeutic goal of CHF is to increase cardiac output, reduce preload and afterload, and to increase myocardial contractility. Inotropic agent that increase the strength of contraction of the cardiac muscles. Second is phosphodiesterase inhibitor agent that increase CAMP to induce systoles and vasodilation. Calcium sensitizers, extracellular fluid volume. Then beta adrenergic agonist. Then beta adrenergic antagonist. Then vasodilator, calcium channel blocker, decrease RAS activity, then ACEI and ATI antagonists and diuretic agents. So let's see the classification of drug used in the CHF. Entropic drug. Cardiac glycoside is digoxin, digitoxin and aureobin. Then symptomatic is dobutamine and dopamine. Phosphodiesterase third inhibitor is amiron. Second is diuretic. First is high ceiling diuretic, furosemide, bumetanide. Thiazide like diuretic is hydrochlorothiazide, metalazone, zimpazide. Third is aldosterone antagonist, spironolactone and irenolol. Fourth is inhibitor of renin-angiotensin system. ACE inhibitor Inapril, Ramipril, agonist AT receptor agonist Losartan, vasodilators is glyceride, trinate, and arterial dilator is hydrazine. Arterial and vasodilator is sodium nitroprusside. Beta adrenergic blocker is metoprolol, bisoprolol, and carvedilol. Other is metabolic cardioprotective trimetazide calcium sanitize is levosidan and levocarnatide. Then inotropic drug. So first is cardiac glycoside. If a sugar molecule is adjoined together with a non-sugar molecule by either linkage, it is called a glycoside. The sugar plus non-sugar is glycoside. Digitoxase plus steroidal lactone is cardiac glycoside. Next is source. Leaves of Digitalis lanata provide two digoxin and digitoxin, while leaf of Digitalis purpurea is the major source of digitoxin. Seeds of Strophanus gratus provide two active glycosides, Streptococcus G and Orbinan, while seeds of Strophanthus combe yield primary Strophanthine K. Next is digoxin, a cardiac glycoside extract from the foxglove leaves, Digitalis specie. In the most important inotropic agent, increase the contractile force. Mode of action is inhibit the sodium potassium ATPase, which is responsible for the sodium potassium exchange across the muscle cell membrane. Increase sodium, increase calcium, increase force of myocardial contraction. Therapeutic use. Congestive heart failure drug of choice for low output CHF is HF due to HT and IHD or arrhythmias. A proximal supraventricular tachycardia, it is the arrhythmia due to the rentile phenomena take place at SA or NAV node. They frequently responsible to digitalis favoring because of reflex vagal activation, which slow the conduction of the impulse. arterial flutter and arterial fibrillation. At its decreased conduction velocity and increased ERP of AV nodes, dilated heart as it helpful in restoring cardiac compression. So hope you will understand about the CHF. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.